I asked ChatGPT when the end of Google will be, but here's what I think. ChatGPT won't be killing Google anytime soon. OpenAI's ChatGPT as we know it today isn't a threat nor a substitute to Google's search engine. It's simply an informational or AI assistance tool. It's not a search engine. But what if they modify it? Well, if they did modify it, wouldn't ChatGPT just become another search engine? And why would it be better than Google? And would you even want a search engine that just showed you one result? Probably not. Moreover, would you really use a search engine where you had to type, show me the top 10 results for this? Because Google already does that. It also doesn't have maps, and local searches and SEO are all about proximity. So in theory, ChatGPT would need to know your location. And so would they really build their own location services? Personally, I don't think so. Because how long would it really take for them to build something like this that's completely out of the realm of the things they do, which is simply to train language models? Now, could they build all of this? Well, in theory, yes, but will they? Most likely not, because they're years and trillions of dollars behind Google. So I don't see ChatGPT replacing Google anytime soon, but let's talk about it. First off, it's important to understand what is ChatGPT and what exactly it does. ChatGPT is a chatbot that uses natural language processing to generate responses based on a user's input. It's been trained with a massive amount of data so it can carry out a very coherent conversation with the human. But despite its impressive capabilities, there's a few reasons why ChatGPT won't be replacing Google nor any other search engine anytime soon. First, ChatGPT is a chatbot, which means it's designed to have a conversation, in this case with humans. While yes, it can generate responses to a variety of different questions, it's not designed to search the internet for information or provide the kind of comprehensive answers Google gives its users. Additionally, Google has a massive advantage when it comes to the data that they have at their disposal. Google has been indexing and collecting information from the internet for more than 2 decades now. And as a result, it has a vast amount of knowledge that ChatGPT simply cannot match. One more thing is that Google is constantly updating their search algorithms to provide more relevant and accurate answers to their users. This means that even if ChatGPT had access to the same amount of data as Google, it will still likely struggle to provide the quality of answers that Google does. In regards to usability, which is a big one, a search engine like Google gives you much more than just an answer to a question. And these are things ChatGPT cannot do, right? ChatGPT cannot product comparisons, directions, options, local restaurants, fact-checking, and a bunch more. For instance, if you want to get your nose done and you try to look for a plastic surgeon in your area, here's what ChatGPT gives you. It's a language model, not a search engine. That's not what it was designed for. But what about fact-checking? Even if Google were to be replaced, which I don't think it will, it's not getting replaced until the fact-checking issue is fixed. Most of the ChatGPT-like technologies to do some fact-checking will require an indexing capability like Google on the backend. And right now, fact-checking is one of the issues that chatbot-like technologies are facing. That said, fact-checking isn't something that, in my opinion, people often focus too much on, because with all the information going around the world, it's quite complicated to fact-check things sometimes, and fake news and all that circulate around the world super fast. And at least the majority of people don't really seem to care too much about it. So in short, while ChatGPT is an impressive chatbot, it's simply not designed to do the same things that Google does. And so I really don't think it's going to replace Google anytime soon. Thank you so much for watching. I do have to come clean. Part of this script was in fact written using ChatGPT, so it does have this amazing utility for people like me that record YouTube videos. And also this video had the help of some members in this Facebook group that's all about ChatGPT. If you want to join, I'll leave the link in the description. That's it for now. SEO is not dead, and thank God it isn't, because I do own Vetted. If you don't know, vetted.com is a place where you can hire pre-vetted SEO experts. If you want to give it a go, I'll leave the link in the description as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Cheers.